DJM TV.
Breaking news: police don begin arrest protesters wey come di Lekki toll gate plaza dis morning. Dis na update on di story wey we post about police wey dem don post to di Lekki toll gate to make sure say protesters no carry out di planned peaceful process wey dem dey wan organize. As we dey talk dis matter now, so members of di Nigerian police force don arrest some of di activists dem wey come outside to cut us say dis EndSARS matter dem no go open di toll gate until better thing come outside for the matter. As a matter of fact, one young man they call Damilola Adelare, he say he come outside to stand in solidarity with fellow young Nigerians. So, but as the matter they go, so they don't bundle and put for inside police van. Not be only him, even this popular Instagram comedian, Mr. Macaroni, as he reached there this morning, they self bundle and put for inside police van. As he share all this one for a live video for Instagram, so say cause say wetin dey happen. They collect their phones, they bundle, they put for motor, they carry them, they go where people don't know. As the matter be now, so they deal with police and we never know where police they won't carry them, they go. Dr. Kemi Oluloye revealed to us for Twitter, say around after 8, she just dey return home from the Lekki toll gate with her Uber. Say she meet many media colleagues for there and police will know her. And the Lekki toll gate and Occupy Lekki toll gate plan, it don dey thwarted by the Nigeria police as they don arrest activists dem. She thought say the constitution, as a matter of fact, it don dey invalid. Say the police dem dey harass journalists and dem dey arrest anybody wey they see around the scene, whether na pass you dey pass or they don't know wetin you come dey call do. They dey arrest anybody wey they see on site. Many people don dey report from the scene of the Lekki toll gate. People don dey comment. Even Faz, the bad guy, he thought say they use threats of force and violence because they expect say we go naturally fear for our lives. Say but the life wey we dey live say for this Nigeria, I be no kukuma get value. People don dey talk say how did they do this kind of thing now? As at this morning, they still report cases of clashes between headmen and community people. Wey be say herdsmen they kpai some people and some people don't leg over for the matter. We don't see one single police for the area. Now, aside Mr. Macaroni, don't arrest 10 other people there wey dey for the protest ground. Meanwhile, as the arrest dey go on, Mr. Macaroni dey live on Instagram. And at there, they do Instagram video until wetin dey happen for the Lekki toll gate. Na so the thing they happen. As they arrest and they collect their phones, the video self they go on. Wetin be the agitation of these protesters? They talk say this injustice about opening this toll gate, it no good. Something happen. We never fit solve the problem. If they say they won't open her because they want make people they want take claim. I believe they call her insurance claim. Make them for free repair the toll gate. Now, what would they talk now? The toll gate important past the lives of the people wey go onto this Lekki matter last year. The thing not just make sense at all. As we talk, as some people they fear for their life, people they around Lekki area now. Everybody they enter inside and say they no say the country will so what you not even do, they'll carry and put on top of your head. They harass journalists, they harass artists, anybody where they see. Whether you identify yourself or not, as long as there's no sin that because of the protest you come out and they harass anybody harassable.
I'm being arrested, though. Nigerian, as you can see, I'm being arrested. There's nothing here. What has been collected? I'll give it to you. Get me out of the box. We have submitted it to my phone. That's my phone. That's my phone. Collect phones now. Everybody else, I cannot use my leg and walk. I do not walk side. Hey, we have turned this country to a police state. Taking them away.
Yes. So then now the police they collect anybody they say they collect phones so that people no go feel record wetin dey happen. And also for that October 2020, this popular disco jockey DJ Swish, she record everything wey happen for the Lekki toll gate that time. So they know say now as they go on this protest, people go they record everything wey dey happen. So their main aim now that they arrest people, they seize their phones to make sure say nobody get record of wetin they go on for the toll gate. This matter e no just make sense at all. E no make sense at all say peaceful protesters, police dey fully armed to the teeth to arrest them, while another akamuka dey go on for other parts of the country and nobody dey there to stop these people there for these bad things wey dem dey do. How you see this matter? Shook mouth put. Meanwhile, abeg if you get any more update on this matter, make you still drop am for the comment section so that we sef we go know wetin dey happen around our vicinity and our country. We go still dey keep una updated on this toll gate, Lekki toll gate matter, so that we go know from time to time we go dey know wetin dey still dey sup. Until we go bring on another update on this matter again, me wey dey report so, my name na Lawuru Favour.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.